Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain area of triangle from the coordinate geometry. We will discuss about section formula. So today I am going to explain about area of triangle in coordinate geometry. That is nothing but 7.3 exercise. See, in a plane, I am taking one triangle with vertices A and B and C. So, triangle ABC, A and B and C are the three vertices. Let A is nothing but x1 comma y1. The coordinates of A x1 y1 and also the coordinates of B x2 comma y2. The coordinates of C x3 comma y3. So here I have three vertices. A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, C x3 comma y3. A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the three vertices. To find the area of triangle ABC, formula is 1 by 2 mod x1 bracket y2 minus y3, x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1, x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. This is the formula to find the area of triangle ABC, one of the important concept from the 7th chapter. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 mod x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. Now here I am going to explain problems on area of triangle ABC. Already we discussed about the area of triangle ABC formula. Simple. Here I have two questions. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. First question. Second one 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 2. And first question. What is the first question? Let A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0, C 2, minus 4. Now I have three vertices. Let first one as x1 y1, second one as x2 y2, third one as x3 y3. So x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Already we have formula. What is the formula to find area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is equal to, the formula is 1 by 2 mod x1 bracket y2 minus y3, x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. The formula is 1 by 2 mod x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. Now apply the values. 1 by 2 mod. What is the meaning of x1? 2. Bracket Next y2 means 0 minus y3 means minus 4 plus x2 means minus 1 bracket. Y3 means minus 4 minus y1 3 plus x3 means 2 bracket. Y1 3 minus y2 0 is equal 1 by 2 mod 2. See, minus into minus plus 0 plus 4 plus into minus minus 1. Here minus 4 minus 2 you can write minus 7 plus 2 bracket 3. Okay. Now remove the brackets. 2 4s are 8 minus into minus plus 7 1s are 7 plus 2 3s are 6 is equal 1 by 2 mod 8. It is how much? 21. Here one important point, modulus of a value never became negative. Modulus of a value never became of a number never became negative. It means area of triangle ABC is equal to 21 by 2. So nothing but 10.5 square units. 10.5 square unit. Now second solution. What is the second question? 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 2. Let A 0, 0, B 3, 0, C 0, 2. Okay. Let this is x1 by 1 and x2 by 2 and x3 by 2. What is the formula? Area of triangle ABC is equal to $1 by 2 mod x1 bracket by 2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket by 3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. Now apply the values. 1 by 2 mod x1 means 0. x1 means 0. y2 means 0 minus y3 means 2 plus x2 means 3. y3 means 2 minus y1 means 0 plus x3 means 0. y1 means 0 minus y2 means 0. 1 by 2 mod 0 is something 0 plus 3 into 2 similarly 0 is something 0. So final answer 1 by 2 mod 6 is nothing but 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are is equal to 3 square units. 3 square and find the value of k for which given points are collinear. Here the solution. First let A 7 minus 2, B 5 minus 5 1, C 3 k. Here A, B, C are collinear points. A, B, C are collinear points. So area of triangle ABC, the area of triangle formed by the ABC is equal to how much? 0. So formula 1 by 2 mod x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Why here 0? Given points are collinear points, so we can take area of triangle of that points is equal to 0. 1 by 2 mod x1 means let x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. x1 7 bracket y2 means 1 minus y3 k plus x2 means 5, y3 means k minus y1 means minus 2 plus x3 means 3 bracket, y1 means minus 2 minus y2 means 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 2 is in denominator. I am transporting to that cell. So 2 I am transporting that cell. Mod 7 1 minus k plus 5 into k minus and minus plus 3 into minus 3 is equal to 0 into 2. Now tell me 7 into 1 7 minus 7 into k 7k plus 5 into k 5k 5 2s are 10 plus into minus minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 0. Now take minus 7k plus 5k plus 7 plus 10 minus 9 is equal to 0. Minus 7k plus 5k minus 2k 10 plus 7 17 17 minus 9 is equal to 0 minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0. Now I am removing mod, so minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0 minus 2k is equal to minus 8 minus and minus cancel, so k is equal to 8 by 2 2 1s are 2 4s are, so k value is 4. Heron's formula, we can find the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. So what is the Heron's formula? Under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c in a triangle. In a triangle A and B and C, opposite A and B and C. So A comma B comma C are the lengths of sides of a triangle. And to find S, formula A plus B plus C by 2. S is nothing but half of the perimeter of given triangle. So what is the meaning of S? Half of the perimeter of the given triangle. So here we have another formula to find area of triangle ABC. That is nothing but Heron's formula. In previous we discussed 1 by 2 mod x1 bracket y2 minus y3. That formula also there. Along with that formula we can use Heron's formula also. So by using Heron's formula, area of triangle under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. A comma b comma c are the lengths of given sides. S is nothing but a plus b plus c by 2. What is the meaning of S? Half of the perimeter of given triangle. So here I am going to explain one question on this formula. So here is the question: find the area of triangle formed by the vertices 2, 3, 6, 3 and 2, 6 by using Heron's formula. Let solution. Now take one triangle ABC. A and B and C is nothing but A and B and C. So I am taking A as 2, 3, B as 6, 3, C as 2, 6. Okay. Here A, C, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. First, to find A, what is the meaning of small a? Distance between B and C. Already we discussed the distance formula. BA is equal to distance between B and C. Distance between B and C. So what is the meaning of B? 6, 3. C means 2, 6. Let x1, y1 and x2 by 2. What is the formula? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now apply the values. X2 means 2 minus x1 means 6 whole square plus y2 means 6 minus y1 means 3 whole square. 2 minus 6 minus 4 whole square plus 3 whole square. It is nothing but 16 plus 9. Now A is equal to under root of 25 is equal to 5 units. What is the value of A? 5 units. Then what about B? B is nothing but distance between A and C. Distance between A and C. Distance between A and C. What is A? A is nothing but 2, 3. What is C? 2, 6. 2, 6. Let x1, y1 and x2, y2. Distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal. Under root of x2 means 2 minus x1 means 2 whole square plus y2 means 6 minus y1 means 3 whole square. 2 minus 2 0. 6 minus 3 3 whole square. 0 square is nothing but 0. So 0 plus 3 square. 3 units. Now what is the value of B? 3 units. Now A value 5 units. B is equal to 3 units. What about C? C is equal to distance between A and B. Distance between A and B. A, what is the coordinates of A? 2, 3. What is the coordinates of B? 6, 3. 2, 3 and 6, 3. Let this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. What is the formula of distance? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The formula of distance under root of x2 minus x1 whole square and plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Under root of x2 means 6 minus x1 means 2 plus y2 means 3 minus y1 means 3 whole square is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4 and this is 0 square. So finally under root of 4 square. Square root cancel. So what is the answer? 4 units. C is equal to 4 units. Here A value is 5, B value is 3, C value is 4. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A means 5 plus 3 plus 4 by 2. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. S is equal to how much? 6. So according to Heron's, area of triangle ABC is equal under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. By using Heron's formula, what is the area of triangle ABC? Under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now apply the values. S means 6, A means 5, 6 minus, B means 4, 6 minus 3, under root of 6 into 6 minus 5, 1 into 2 into 3. So finally area of triangle ABC is equal under root of 36 is equal to 6 square units. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 6 square units. This is one of the very important concept, Heron's formula.